In this video, I will show you how to set prices on JetPrint products. First, log into your JetPrint account. Once you're in, head over to the left side of the dashboard and click on My Products. From there, choose any product you want to set the price for and click on it. On the lower right corner of the screen, just keep clicking Next until you get to the pricing section. Now this is where you can set your selling price. For example, if you're working with shoes, you can even adjust the price depending on the size. Take a moment to think about your costs and make sure you're setting a price that still gives you a good profit margin while staying competitive. Once everything looks good, click Save to confirm your changes. And that's how to set prices on JetPrint products.